sila kaagad, tawagan niyo lang po ako. Ha? Agad-agad lang po. Sige, nakikiusap lang po ako, ma'am, ha? Salamat po. Hindi at ako makakatulog ngayong gabi. Gusto ko makasama si Cha at si Mickey.
It's not just about the food. It's about the moments made exceptional when experienced with premium beers. Like your senses being mesmerized by the aromatic hops of San Miguel Super Dry. Or indulging your distinct taste, refined by a full flavor lager that is San Miguel Premium All Malt. Perhaps a refreshing sensation heightened by a Belgian-style wheat ale of San Miguel Cerveza Blanca. Or a romantic night uplifted by the bold, roasted malt flavors of San Miguel Cerveza Negra. Moments like these are best raised with premium beers. Raise the bar with San Miguel Premium Beers.
Nabuo pa ang pamilya ko. Kapag nasa eskwelahan sila, hindi ako mapakali kapag hindi ko sila makikita. Agad ako umaalis at pupuntahan ko sila.